Hi, yoga friends! Before we start today's fun yoga practice, don't forget to give this video a like and press subscribe so you can join us on all our yoga adventures. We've prepared lots of fun poses and playful games just for you. Ready? Let's get started. Stand with your legs wide apart. Stretch your arms out to the sides like a big star. Open your chest. Stand tall. Now become very still. No moving. Take slow breaths. Feel strong and focused. Stay like a quiet star in the sky. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Feel your feet strong and steady on the floor. Slowly begin to lift both arms up to the sky. Move very slowly like you are moving through water. Let your eyes gently follow your hands as they go up. Try to keep your attention in one place. Stand tall, arms up, body still. Take a calm breath here. Stand tall on both feet. Now slowly lift one foot. Place that foot gently on your ankle or calf. If you need, you can keep your toes on the floor. Bring your hands together in front of your chest. Press your palms softly. Look at one quiet spot in front of you. Try not to move. Stay steady. Stay calm. Breathe slowly. Sit or stand tall. Bring your palms together at your chest. Press them gently, not too strong. Look softly at your thumbs. Keep your head still. Take a calm breath in and a calm breath out. Feel quiet and centered inside. Sit down comfortably with your legs crossed. Rest your hands softly on your knees. Close your eyes or look down gently. Take a slow breath in. Now breathe out slowly. Let your shoulders relax. We breathe together. In, 1. Out, 1. Keep breathing slowly and calmly. Feel your body becoming quiet. Sit or stand very still. Lift one hand and place it near your ear. Close your eyes gently. Imagine you are listening very carefully. Maybe you hear a soft sound, or maybe you hear silence. Stay quiet. Stay still. Take one calm breath here. Your body and mind are listening. Stand or sit tall. Bring your arms in front of your body. Cross one arm over the other. Lift your elbows a little bit. Feel your shoulders gently squeeze together. Your body stays still. Relax your face. Relax your breath. Hold this pose calmly. Feel centered and quiet. Sit or stand tall. Lift one arm slowly up. Now gently stretch your arm to the side. Do not rush. Keep your body calm and still. No bouncing, no pushing. Breathe slowly as you stretch. Feel the side of your body getting long. Hold here quietly. Then slowly return to center. Sit comfortably. Rest your hands in front of you. Slowly touch your thumb to your first finger, then the next finger. Move one finger at a time. Very slow. Watch your fingers with your eyes. Keep your attention on the movement. Small movements. Calm focus. Sit with your legs stretched forward. Place your hands gently on your legs. Slowly lean your body a little bit forward. Do not pull or force. Let your back stay long. Your face stays relaxed. Pause here. Breathe calmly. Feel peaceful and still. Sit or stand comfortably. Bring your hands near your mouth. Imagine you are holding a bubble. Take a slow breath in. Now, gently breathe out, as if you are blowing a bubble into the air. Blow very softly, very slowly. Watch your bubble float away. Feel calm, light, and focused.